Today I'm going to show you how to make a marble cake. You will need 175 grams of caster sugar, 175 grams of self-raising flour, 175 grams of butter or margarine, 3 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Firstly, in a bowl, to your sugar add your butter or margarine and then cream together until well combined. Then add your eggs and give it a really good mix. Then add your flour and mix until a batter has formed. Then you want to divide your batter into two. And to half of the batter you want to add your vanilla extract and to the other half you want to add your cocoa powder. And give both of these batters a really good mix until everything's well combined and you have the two batters, the chocolate one and the vanilla one. Then having pre-prepared a 7-inch or 18cm cake tin, just having greased it and then lined it with baking paper, you then want to start dolloping in the cake mixtures, just like some vanilla, some chocolate, not mixing them together at this point. You just want to kind of dollop them so then they're next to each other. And then once you've put all your cake batter into the tin, I just gave my tin a little bit of a wiggle just to try and distribute the cake batter a little bit better, so then it filled all the gaps underneath. And then just taking a knife or a skewer, you just want to run this around inside the cake just to create that marbled effect. You don't want to mix it, so just do it a little bit until you've got a marbled effect on top. If you do it too much, then it will mix the two cake batters together and then you'll lose the marble effect. And then pop this in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 50 minutes to an hour until a skewer comes out the middle clean. And there you have it. That's how you make a marble cake.